English Wellness Podcast.
Learn English and live well.
If you've ever felt embarrassed speaking English, if you've ever stayed silent because you weren't sure how to pronounce a word, then this episode might change everything for you. Because today, we're not just learning letters, we're unlocking the real sound of English. And trust me, if you miss this, you'll keep making the same mistakes again and again.
Yeah, that's actually true. I remember learning English letters before, but when I tried to speak, people still didn't understand me. Super frustrating.
Exactly, because English is not just about letters, it's about sounds. And today, we'll fix that step by step, together.
Let's go. I'm excited already.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Mia, your host.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're studying, commuting, or just relaxing, thanks for spending some time with us.
And hey, if you've ever struggled with pronunciation, don't worry. Today is your day.
Absolutely. Let's start simple. The English alphabet has 26 letters, but here's the truth. Each letter can have more than one sound.
Wait, more than one? That sounds like trouble already.
It can be, but we'll make it easy. Let's begin with the first letter, A.
Ah, the famous A.
Yes, A can sound like A, as in apple. Repeat after me. Apple.
Great. One more time, a little slower. Apple.
Now A can also sound like A, as in cake. Repeat after me. Cake.
Nice. Again, cake.
You're doing great. Already learning two sounds from one letter.
Okay, that's actually cool.
Let's move to B. B is simple. It sounds like B. Example, boy. Repeat after me. Boy.
Again, boy.
Now try this sentence. The boy is happy. Repeat after me.
Great job. Don't rush. Clear sound is more important than speed.
Now C. This one is tricky. C can sound like K or S.
Ah, I've seen that before.
Yes. Example 1, cat. Repeat after me. Cat.
Good. Now example 2, city. Repeat after me. City.
Notice the difference. Cat versus city.
Say it with me. Cat, city.
Perfect. Let's continue with D. D sounds like D. Example, dog. Repeat after me. Dog.
Again, dog.
Now a sentence. The dog is big. Repeat after me.
Nice. You're getting better already.
Let's talk about E. E has multiple sounds too. First sound, E, as in egg. Repeat after me. Egg.
Again, egg.
Second sound, E, as in C. Repeat after me. C.
One more time, C.
Great. Now F. F sounds like F. Example, fish. Repeat after me. Fish.
Again, fish.
Try this. I like fish. Repeat after me.
That sounded smooth.
Now G. G can be G or J.
Oh no, another tricky one.
Don't worry. Example 1, go. Repeat after me. Go.
Good. Now example 2, giant. Repeat after me. Giant.
Say both. Go, giant.
Nice contrast.
Now H. H sounds like H. Example, hat. Repeat after me. Hat.
Again, hat.
Sentence, I have a hat. Repeat after me.
Perfect.
Now I. I can sound like I or I.
This one confuses me a lot.
Totally normal. First, sit. Repeat after me. Sit.
Good. Now, time. Repeat after me. Time.
Say both. Sit, time.
Yeah, I can hear the difference now.
That's progress. Let's go to J. J sounds like J. Example, job. Repeat after me. Job.
Again, job.
Sentence, I have a job. Repeat after me.
Nice and clear.
Now K. K sounds like K. Example, kite. Repeat after me. Kite.
Again, kite.
Good. Now L. L sounds like L. Example, love. Repeat after me. Love.
Again, love.
Sentence, I love English. Repeat after me.
That felt good to say.
It should, because it's true.
Haha, yeah.
Now, M. M sounds like Example, man. Repeat after me. Man.
Again, man.
Sentence, the man is here. Repeat after me.
Smooth.
Now, N. N sounds like N. Example, name. Repeat after me. Name.
Again, name.
Sentence, my name is Leo. Repeat after me.
Hey, that's me.
Exactly. Now, O. O can sound like ah or O.
Another double sound?
Yes. Example 1, hot. Repeat after me. Hot.
Good. Now, home. Repeat after me. Home.
Say both. Hot, home.
That's clearer now.
You're doing great. Seriously, take a second and appreciate your progress.
Yeah, like you started from A and now you're here.
And we're not even done yet.
Let's keep going.
Welcome back. If you're still here, that means you're serious about improving your English, and that's powerful.
Yeah, seriously. Most people quit early, but you're still here. Respect.
Let's continue with the alphabet sounds. Next letter, V.
Okay, this one is important. A lot of people mix it with B.
Exactly. V sounds like V. Your top teeth touch your bottom lip. Example, very. Repeat after me. Very.
Again, very.
Now compare berry and very. Repeat after me. Berry, very.
This one can change meaning a lot. Be careful.
Great point. Now, W. W sounds like W. Example, water. Repeat after me. Water.
Again, water.
Sentence, I drink water every day. Repeat after me.
Stay hydrated and fluent.
Nice combo. Now, X. X usually sounds like X.
Like in box, right?
Exactly. Repeat after me. Box.
Again, box.
Another example, tax. Repeat after me. Tax.
Useful word, not very fun though.
True, but important in real life. Now, Y. Y can sound like Y or E.
Two sounds again.
Yes. Example 1, yes. Repeat after me. Yes.
Good. Now, happy. Repeat after me. Happy.
Say both. Yes, happy.
Nice and clear.
Finally, Z. Z sounds like Z.
Like sleeping. Zzz.
Exactly. Example, zoo. Repeat after me. Zoo.
Again, zoo.
Sentence, let's go to the zoo. Repeat after me.
That was fun.
And just like that, you've covered all 26 letters and their main sounds.
That actually feels like a big win.
It is a big win, but now comes the real magic, using these sounds in real life.
Yes, this is where things get interesting.
Let's start with a simple daily conversation. Imagine you meet someone.
Okay, I'm ready.
Repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
One more time. Hello, how are you?
Now answer, I'm fine, thank you. Repeat after me.
Again, I'm fine, thank you.
Now let's make it more natural. How are you doing today? Repeat after me.
Great. One more time, a little slower.
Answer, I'm doing well. Repeat after me.
Nice and confident.
Let's try an office situation. You want to ask for help.
Oh yeah, this is useful.
Repeat after me. Can you help me, please?
Again, can you help me, please?
Now, a bit more polite. Could you please help me with this? Repeat after me.
That sounds professional.
Exactly. Now imagine you're in a meeting.
Stressful situation.
Don't worry. Try this. I have a question. Repeat after me.
Again, I have a question.
Or, can I say something? Repeat after me.
Nice, that feels useful.
Let's move to travel. You're at the airport.
Okay, I'm flying to the UK.
Perfect. Repeat after me. Where is the check-in counter?
Again, where is the check-in counter?
Now at the hotel. Repeat after me. I have a reservation.
One more time, I have a reservation.
Or, can I get a room, please? Repeat after me.
That's super useful.
Now, at a restaurant, repeat after me. Can I see the menu?
Again, can I see the menu?
Ordering food, I would like this, please. Repeat after me.
Simple and effective.
Let's add a bit more advanced English now.
Okay, level up time.
Instead of I want water, say, could I have some water? Repeat after me.
That sounds much better.
Instead of give me a pen, say, may I borrow your pen? Repeat after me.
Much more polite.
Now, social conversation. You meet someone new.
Let's go.
Repeat after me. Nice to meet you.
Again, nice to meet you.
Ask, where are you from? Repeat after me.
Good. Now answer, I'm from Bangladesh. Repeat after me.
Perfect. You can change the country easily.
Yeah, super flexible.
Now, let's practice a mini dialogue.
I love these.
Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
That feels like a real conversation.
Exactly. That's the goal.
Not just learning, but actually speaking.
Now, a quick confidence tip. Speak slowly.
Yes, slow is better than wrong and fast.
Focus on sounds. Clear pronunciation matters more than grammar at the beginning.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are proof you're trying.
And trying is how you win.
Let's do one final practice together.
Let's go.
Repeat after me. I am learning English every day.
Again, I am learning English every day.
Now say, I will speak English confidently.
One more time with confidence.
That's powerful.
I actually felt that.
You should, because it's true.
And if you've come this far, you're already ahead of so many people.
Before we finish, if this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Wellness.
We've got more lessons coming that will seriously upgrade your English.
Keep practicing daily, even for a few minutes.
Consistency beats talent, every time.
And remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need to start speaking.
We believe in you.
Always.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep learning.